When you log on PickaForm, you see your workspace with your applications. To add an application on your workspace, you click on the black square here, and you have three options. The first one is to create an application from a template, and to do this, you just have to click on the Get App button of the template you want. There are two other options to create applications, and we will choose the second one, which is to create an application from an Excel file. The data must be organized into columns. It's important. So the first step is to give a name to your application, like this. And it's not mandatory, but you can also set an application description. Once this is done, you just click on Validate, and there will be a new blank database created on your server. From now, you just have to upload your file, and here I will take a sample file with fake data in it. It's a standard Excel file to track incidents. Now I will choose the first option, and this will automatically generate my first form and my first view in my application. So I give a name to my form and my view here. Now the file is analyzed by the system, and it will show you the first rows and the last rows. So you can have a quick check. You can also dig into the details and choose which field you want to import, which column you want to generate for your views. Here I'm disabling 2 columns. You can also adjust the field types and also the field names. But anyway, most of the users, they don't use those options. They just stay with the simple import like this and click Finish. Now the application is generated, the first form is generated too, and the data is imported in it. As you see now, we have our first view called Incidents 2017, and each Excel row has become a document in the application. If I click on a document, it opens in its own window. I can of course modify it, and you see that the fields have been automatically generated and the field types have been recognized.